yen na ma wo ye tiko yen konkoye na ma so ayen nti ye beka se comptroller general ya ade na che se nkola na ye de omko borders no omatimi ama ne borders no agade hoye nti ye beka se bia oh the whole year we never recorded some people trafficking children into the country. It is because those on the field are working and you mo amosha office and you mo amote air condition no. It is those on the field that are making sure, say, Ghana Immigration Service, a budget impa. But at the end of the day, they go through all the hassle just to make sure, say, Comptroller General at the end of the day, oh, but now to come when they bomb from up, at the end of the day, I would jitting say, oh, during my tenure as Comptroller General, no. This is what I did for the Ghana Immigration Service. It's a lie. It's those down there. So you have to respect them. You have to make sure, say, benefit be a wasa omunyano omonsaka. Why? What is it? Now, just common rent allowance, you're saying, I came 2 years. You send them to the field, to the borders. Almost 100 Ghana, you are slashing it by 50%. What you are doing is to withdraw all of them and send the newly recruited personnel from the Ghana Immigration Service. Omuna will send Yako borders because you can cheat them by taking 50% of the allowances. Those who have been there, who have suffered for the past month, demanding their wages, demanding their allowances of 100 Ghana was slashing 50%, you know, because they have raised their voice. Because you are calling them, withdrawing them. Comptroller General, Ghana Immigration Service. Whether you like it or not, you must vomit that money for the people. You must vomit it because they deserve it. They have worked for it. And they deserve it. What is this? Why do you sit in your offices and moment from my breast? Why? Are there more money busia? Your school fees. It will slash 50 at the end of the year. What will 50 Ghana do to you? Upon all allowances and benefits are the 50 Ghana and Kolani then at the end of the year. Intia no so say one far. Young Kase, we are Comptroller General. Today I am addressing you, Comptroller General, because at the end of the day, so bibiko ya wotifa anko yeswa, we must hit you. We must let you know that rise up and attend to them. What is this? The other time you can't want them no more rush it, most of the release beba. Release, you know, I can't pass it. I can't pass it. Man to me issue release, you know, because they're trying and no crack. And to release, so-called release, Ghana Immigration Service, the so-called release in Monfambra. Now you say, I find a mobile phone and calling them to withdraw them. Yeah, say you are just threatening them, giving them empty threat. And now they say, they know their left from their right. And they know says and it's your tap on training or war. Let us not say security service. Demonstration, but you see, and no crown yano. Because assembly mumu and they are bonny neighbor. And that is what we want to prevent. And they are bonny and show musu. Almost away catch away. Yen say, yen turn them away, yen turn them or more cabo may yakim bonny. And your how my yimo. Give it to them. 50 Ghana, just give it to them. What is this? Maybe activate phone lines, you know. You will hear from them. The way you're mokasa. The kind of messages are me Baba ready me chiao asumjenka me mwakwaba. The kind of messages are on must send me privately. Me see me ready be kra na me raho. Me ready bia na me raho because what check kwabrani what the main kind way said the beya. Kwabrani message obeka so trust story book. Ni nyina ye ohawa or fem. Rem, student mattress, no mosquito nest, na mosquito net, and what it take. They live at the mercy of the weather. And so, no monemu, and we are bo, no monemu. and you are sitting in your offices, just 100 Ghana allowance. They are there with the police officers, the military officers, police for Diaba, military for Diaba. Nina, it is coming from the same source, national security. And checks just say you releases Ghana Immigration Service. Argentina police for Diaba in full, military for Diaba in full, immigration officers there. You are slashing it by 50%. Bonnie Ben Omaye. Bonnie Ben Omaye. So Munya Juma no mu demand here is different and yam fuaso. But once they have worked, look, police for Diaba. Arias no kakrebi now Ghana Immigration Service mo to me dim mo feka 10 weeks mo betia no atia 4 weeks na 6 weeks akem na asaya be top up 10 weeks adan what is the adan ad intisikan kete mo de yedan die na be yamo sikan kete mo de yedan mon kwa na mo de yeye abusia de mami activity for months na me de aka na to aso. We immigration officer, member Wooding, or the Awabas, and said the Etianaka. If indeed the mechanic me Dwaso Abeka, come and show me. The other time, a kind will be fair, and I'm a security officer, and these are security matter. One catch us a security for, and this is a deal market your mom. One catch us a security for, or more allowance, there was here to so. They are suffering. They are suffering. Enti na ya and our police for there. Omo bre enti na omo back one. Omo chichi ya 1 cedi no. E ya de omo ka de ya de ama omo a on bejira kwan ho se meji 1 cedi. Because no fifie back wa ma konoma. Ono na allowance akem ya mfa ama no. Efie wura yire no. Bede no bejira kwan ho a onje 1 cedi 2 cedi 1 cedi 2 cedi. Odi na ka de ma no. Ene wanya na allowance na rent enso no. And oba wetimi anya bia to fia oba no ye adwuma na oba no diligently, and that is what we are talking about. Said ye beya obi abetumi aye na adwuma kroji diligently. Now what chitini pano what to office e chitino abono krono awiano owiano asoma no kokwan so oba kwan so nyode adwempone wasoma na etuo kra no. Oh, children crying in a dream bonnet or drink the next available car or Biako Bank, Ako Yiska, no a Tresina, Ako Bonnie Patrotio, no a just can finish them because I can bonnet or the background. You treat them like this, no more the Tiasha Bonsa. But then I'm open more among the Kunkumye 0302 216 561 0302 216 562. Why? Debbie, why? Me pato, why? Me bisao, again I'm cheating. I'm security services, sir. Again. 0302 216 561 0302 216 562. Obet me a friend afe achichen komo. Me dey Kwasi Asempa wa join us some drink am me moache. I mean kind these comments tin way. Na me fan to aso na. I shall push the course in a man, I may come in. But I'll buy men body. What they call Casa Mame. Kone Casa Mame. Casa. Hello, good morning. Hello, good morning.
Hello.
Yes, sir.
Hello.
Yes, sir.
Hello, good morning.
Me bacho waso. Yes, boss. Me bacho waso.
Hello.
Yes, sir. I shall my next caller. Hello, good morning.
Yeah,
yes, sir.
My yard, me na adibia me kwa Ghana. But you me person so what is Ghana? National security say o married. Me ba I can't tell you now. O mo ye dey nti ana we are near for aban ne so. Because the can ye dey amount atempa medoka baju sika efri ha ana bia ba ha kwaje okọ ho a ha temate ho ha na osebu de dru ba bia me say obi abonya mumbo ni di na ye cancel ye monti control akata when na ye na say was to push sika na mamu ado no me ye look edru ba bia na mo dia bo MPP abai na opposition so to no so ka bi sika bai what is opposition ni bia ka bia ba omoda but e ba de enye pe na o masom and na mo what by no we asa wo tell my no baby sika no bia wo no fo no sika mo na asem fa na asem enko chitia
Abusiamati Asimbe Kameda Sebebre Medasi Pushines Kola Mami. Hello, good morning. Hello, good morning. Hello, good morning.
Good morning.
Yes, sir.
Good morning, Captain.
Yes, boss.
Yo, Bama Mbasi.
Jim FM.
Na, ene se, sisi ana asema awokan. Sebe kafra. Te wushe mu pa ya okan nokore. Nokore se kwa de me a. Me so de mko hu obi aduane kora na se benya me de a. Se mewu de ene ya mefadi. Wan nti adane de oka ne de nokore na mbom aya emonka omonka se position for motete ho na ya no mo keka bi da bi o yehu nsem ene ma ye ka bye bye.
Yo, Aja Medasi Bebre. Hello, good morning.
Good morning.
Yes, sir.
Aja ni monio.
Aja ni mo yentio.
I'm chair na no pay. Na me chair abangamenia. Ene mo fe frifa ama sama MP. Ya me kan nyina ne in fact, on say ya no mo ka corruption sen. Enti se nipa no wo ye adwuma no anya good a. Che corruption no be. Enti corruption ne de anya de me bi se be tu o man mu do because se nipa no ye adwuma na adwuma na wo ye no certify kama na ye no bia kama na no to no a. Enya tu se obere bo pa ye se okofo man bi sika ana okobo kro no wa adwuma mu. Enti o mu hwe na o mu fa ne man tutu ye na adwuma fo no o mu nto wo mu. Bye-bye.
Matthew Bushia Medasi Bebre Medasi Pa. Hello, good morning. Hello, good morning. Hello, good morning.
Yeah, good morning.
Yes, sir.
Immigration officer.
Gamba Chomitio.
No, you police for na wa. Sika ne ba pepepe 1 million so ye. And so ye de ya so. Ama de na otu be ba. Ye de ndie na otu ne ebeba no be 10 weeks na ebeba so almost 50%. Ye bro ye pam to mo ka bi man.
Yeah, kapa o ma fiase se omo free threaten mo so mbe withdraw mo meboa.
Acha.
Aja odemate ni nyina ye ni.
Why? Police for the bad dia no me wa.
Police for the ba military for the ba momo dia 50% ya teso. Aja for mame next caller. Hello, good morning.
Good morning.
Adem Boni na mo ditete head office wo. Hello, good morning.
Good morning, Asempa.
Aja sum bien kan.
And council.
It's you.
That did. All said they have a case in me say. Omo koye mpanifo no. Aya no mu fi nkwala mu. O dey abet you. Omo a okun amom ne. Omo nya higher rank na. Omo so mbeye nkwala na ebe ba omo asin the same thing. Na no weekend near wa chem mase. Police penny bi wi. Police folk could damn a bite, boy back and also you, me who na pen and namin kai baby, quam, boom, you know, so now kind of me. And a mammy beside us asked me and never can have raised that topic. And also, in penny for no, on one for baby, on my desire, but could do through an army or Murefi. And I make a sense, I won't say the same thing about the apple, or was it? It's in Camona, more Siciliano. Most of some having and could do some movie do through no more Tanyama. So most of my other side, they are 10 years at the end of the war. So when you see a society, yes, or yes, Asempa, yes, or yes, I saw them. Yet I saw them as Bonino, ye. So I said, oh, yes, you can now only a fan a harvest committee chairman. Or no, we and your band will be his Kanaka say, oh, me 100 gun and what is 250. If I say, 5,000, 5,000. Next opinion or test run no match no money. Made them say I did any and a bobo be of D or Moboni be abro no dinica. It's a Bible I say the old Uma or
I was Yami say hello, good morning.
Fine morning near me boss Baku pet Mr. Bright. Asempa pacho bibi abakode.
Aja nyame ti ase.
One kata uni antu asama ne which me afa mashia.
Bacho yentio.
Le dawasi pa na juma pa oboma o mangana. Na Ghana mpanifo ya umuda adwuma no ese omo sisi nkrofo di nkrofo sika saa nti me pa ocho nti omo nim sisi nkrofo di obi sika bebebe se ya eye no niema omo ankasa na enne ma omma we na ase ne kirase
mpanimfoɔ bi a ɛbɛyi wɔ ma wɔ mu biara no ɛsɛ wɔbɛdi obi sika nti ne deɛ ne nso no o nkɔfoɔ de kakra a ɔde ma ɔmo so no wɔdi asa ka ho nti abrabɔ wɔ ɛsɛ na ɛtena asase so nti Ghana paa nti anim o nti ɔmo de sie nyansa ansa na ɔmo de kɔ adwuma no mu anaa de ɔmo kɔ kɛkɛ sɛ sukuu nyansa nko a mesrɛ sɛ ɔmo bɛtɛ asie nyansa ɔmo kɛseɛ nyansa nka ho because baabi a ɔman wɔ egu sisi no baabi a ɔman no kɔ no na yɛanhwɛ ne yie na yɛapɛ obi a ɔnim sie nyansa bɛdi ɔman wɔ so a ɔman no bɛdi apɛ ne si but serious because mesrɛ obi a wɔnkɔ sukuu kura po no obetumi di ɔman wɔ sukuu ahwɛ ɔman wɔ sukuu a ɛbɛtumi aboa ɔman wɔ enye nea ɔkɔ sukuu ka aborɔfo saa aborɔfo sɛm wei ɛna mma nkɔfo de wia Ghana saa bɛdu nnɛ nti mesrɛ mmerɛ so sɛ Asempa menim nipa ko a woyɛ sɛ wobɛtumi asɔre waka adi wo na sɛ bibi mu na nti wobɛtumi asɔre match bia gye ɔman wei a monhwɛ dɛ mo gye ɔman wei na nyɛ sɛ yɛde nkurɔfo wei akyi a ɔmmɛtɔn ɔman Ghana wo ne nyame
Hello, good morning.
Good morning, Asempa.
Yes, sir.
Yeah,
Yentio.
Asempa wako alikuza. Wako elibu wafa elibu kwa nesi wako elibuda.
Lubodi ya makoho.
Wako Joe after.
Yo.
Yes. I didn't think you were said. Omedi papa. The president or Tiho. Na say ono pese o man ye immigration officers no o maboyefo she say ye nyaga na obi em say medical sem just in quote police for na o masem no o me corrupt medical sem na say police for ska etimi ko na immigration sika what so ataba say ye wunu no because uko elibo is out from the border no you so down. It's not that on COVID time. You see, my Obian for border and some family. Now, the immigration officer, who in the council, that's what Nipa 40 at the cost. That's what Bia Punya at their handle and 40. Oh, your man, I say, and I say, if I could prefer Joe off in Sonusu, that's what Nipa 100 every good boat in so that crossing river, no, not the Bagana. Only you. Asempa Ghana kuru Asempa de we program we obehu insota benya immigration officers to protect the country mo to tiska so because me yale na me yale tisia ba manu no na anu de nyale with my customer service so if takwade now, first border. I was better by Jason. First border, they have to drop down. Yes.
I was your Matsuda say hello, good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Yes, boss.
I just am Panye.
Me batchai.
Nipa bi say, Mitio.
Ajamina Mitio.
Yo, Nipa, yes, Nipa bi say, na say, oti asori de na mi ni na ti asori de ma o we we se oba afori akesi achen wo nanso nipa de sani a one ne kwa asori o ti odo no te sani a odo nyankopon no ono a na ebo no kro no nanka ye de obi sika ma wo se ge na fakoti obi ka na wutimi kemienu fafa na nipa se wutimi kwa asori ko na se urade ye hira wo asafo ye wo a hira me a eye no me na wo san aja ma ho nyame nka mo ho.
Hello, good morning. Right, Ebusia, calls mean to me Fabio, but assembly you see, Ghana Immigration Service and Penny more Comptroller General. Me pacho stop the empty threats. Amodema momofrano more bodesuno. Please stop it. Because me Mariam Fise wo penino. Don't do no modoso chen. You are rather there, say we be taking decisions in their favor. Take decisions and be improve on more life and motivate you so that they can work for the country. Men take a decision a baby my regret is a ban simple me be join immigration service. Men take a decision a baby my case you post me to border. Me do wanna say obi the cocaine ba na nipa ni ma me 5,000 na me ma na rem. Men take a decision say oko border no akobua e ma smuggle goods omo dia back country nim. Na woti Accra to office. Na nyoma wura country nim sa and you call yourself say you are a boss of immigration because of 50 Ghana cedis. Because of 50 Ghana cedis, 50 Ghana. Na den osika ya nka menka de mpesa metini se penny wa organize party kra mom wa call all the borders and motivate you wo kokra no wo ko mom incentive ever motivate you but you don't sit in Accra and be doing deduction. Me den de Kwasi Asempa try meba ma me fancy da ma Franco Trading Enterprise Benny Franco say me chiao me da se bebre dan den na niam wo ye. It is well, shall be well with you. Franco Trading, open phone papa, open electrical appliance papa. Mamadi ne koho ubenya. Try me meba.
Franco Trading Enterprise still phone papa fee Samsung nie Nokia nie iPhone nie say your printers or mobile phone accessories. Franco Trading Enterprise afa our no TV digital television set aya this satellite any ultra panels abomuma.
Franco Trading Enterprise e wo Facebook